Welcome everybody. I am Emanuele Zanotti from the marketing department of Davi, and I'm very glad to host you here in our headquarters in Italy. As you can see, we are in our workshop today, where all our plates and angle rolls are manufactured and tested before being shipped towards our customers' plants. We are here again to show you that even in this very peculiar period of supply chain disruption, as we all know, Davi is capable of producing rolling equipment and keep these machines in stock. How can we do this? We can do this for sure thanks to our financial solidity. Our financial solidity allows us to produce these machines that are always ready for delivery. As you maybe know, we always have dozens of plate and angle rolls ready for delivery, and we are able to understand which machines we need to produce thanks to our great expertise, thanks to our knowledge, thanks to our history, since our roots date back to 1966. We are an extensive knowledge of the rolling world, and we can produce these machines to keep them in stock. Obviously, when it comes to machines in stock, we are talking about plate rolls that are standard plate rolls. Today we will talk about 3-roll plate rolls. These machines are standard, and they can be purchased together with some accessories. I'm talking about overhead and side supports, and I'm talking about different kinds of in-feed and out-feed conveyors. These are the accessories that can be purchased together with standard plate rolls. We have to mention our technical department. We have 25 mechanical, electronic, hydraulic and software engineers that are capable to work on very customized projects, because if a customer needs a specific solution, a different solution from standard, we have these engineers capable of working on these. But we also have some people dedicated to the research and development department. We have 5 people in the R&D department. They are focused on future releases, but they can also support on very special projects. Last but not least, if we consider our branches in the United States and China, we have more or less 20 technicians dedicated to the customer support. They are always available for the customers. They can give support through remote troubleshooting, and they can make interventions on site and also training. So today we are focusing on 3 heavy-duty plate rolls of the MAV range that are ready for immediate delivery. So MAV 3-roll are variable axis machines. They are very flexible, and they are particularly common in the oil and gas and power industry. Before presenting the machines, I would like to introduce my colleague Roberto Pilotti. He is a sales manager in Davi sales department. We have invited Roberto because, as some of you may know, this is not the first time we are here in the warehouse to show you some plate rolls that are ready for immediate delivery, some heavy-duty plate rolls. This means that our sales department made a good job in the last few months. Some customers purchased these plate rolls ready for immediate delivery, and so I'm going to ask you, Roberto, tell us a bit about these customers purchasing these heavy-duty plate rolls ready for immediate delivery.
So Emanuele, thank you to all of you listening to us now. Yeah, for the sales team, having heavy-duty plate rolling machine ready for immediate delivery is a very strong and competitive advantage. In fact, in the last year, few important customers like Likomitros in Greece, Cintas in Turkey, Lointec in Spain, and also Tucson Azar in Mexico purchased a plate rolling machine with over 100 mm capacity. Thanks to Davi, those customers could start their production immediately and have an immediate return of the investment. This is very important in this period where the supply chain is always disrupted, and with the supply, let's say, forecast that is always unpredictable and longer and longer. Only Davi can provide you this type of delivery in this day. And also thanks to Davi financial strength and thanks to the long-term strategy that we are having in this period, we can provide you this type of big advantage to all our customers.
So Roberto, thank you very much for your intervention, and now we are leaving you to your sales job for today. Thank you
so much.
And
have a good day.
Ciao.
Ciao guys.
So now it's the right time to present these 3 heavy-duty plate rolls we have here in our warehouse. This is the first one, and it's an MAV with 130 millimeters rolling capacity. Here we have a quite bigger machine with a capacity of 150 millimeters. And right there we have a quite smaller machine with a capacity of 92 millimeters. So today we go from 92 to 150 millimeters rolling capacity. So now let's go to the characteristics of these MAV machines, which are the distinguishing features of our 3-roll plate rolls with variable axis. First of all, the MAV grants a high level of flexibility thanks to the fact that the 3 rolls are all motorized. Then the MAV is the best solution for both re-rolling and fabricating cones. Re-rolling is very well done on a 3-roll with variable axis because the frames are very sturdy and rigid, and the machine is very compact, also thanks to the intra-frame basement. Fabricating cones is also very easy with an MAV thanks to the tiltable rolls. All 3 rolls are tiltable, and so the MAV is the right machines for fabricating cones. Another very important aspect is the mechanical and hydraulic symmetrical configuration that allows a high level of precision and the respect of the tolerances requested by the client. But today we want to know a little bit more about our MAV plate rolls, and this is why we are now having a brief talk with another colleague of mine, Marco Brolli. He is our test department manager. That means that he coordinates all the final acceptance tests. He does himself the tests with the customers here in Davi headquarters, so he has the chance to talk with the customers and with the customers' operators, so he gets feedbacks directly from the operators. So Marco, what do the customers and the operators really appreciate of our MAV plate rolls?
So first, positive impression arrive from the machine design that appear immediately solid and robust. Then I can tell you our servotronic system that allow us to have a perfect parallel control of the roll, to have got a very good part at the end and save time to do the tack welding. Another thing, it is the axis speed, so we can have a very fast rolling process. Also the maintenance operation is very easy due to the machine design, and clean up the machine is very easy too, because we have machine no greasing.
So Marco, thank you very much, and have a nice day.
Thank you.
Again, we have these 3 MAV plate rolls with variable axis ready for immediate delivery. Thank you for your attention. You can contact us for further information on these machines and on all the other plate and angle rolls we have ready for immediate delivery. And remember, as usual, first come, first serve.
Let's roll your world together.